technical articles. Cover the technical articles from ACCA website. Now the question would be in your mind that which article to read. The simple point is that most recent ones like on sustainability reporting or any other topic in which you are facing the challenge. Now the technical article you also read in the few days before exam or after completion of particular topic. That's a very simple point. Now, what is the importance of this technical article? Now, let's say, for example, when there was an article on the sustainability reporting, so when it was published, and then right in the coming attempt, this topic was examined. So it has been an observation in the past that whenever there is a technical article, there are highly probable chance that this topic would be examined in the upcoming attempt. So importance of technical article, I've already told you, it helps you to analyze the mindset of the question and the theme and helps you to understand the possible requirements to be examined. So this is the importance, these are the importance of technical articles. You should not ignore these technical articles, right?